English version mathematics, class 5, chapter 8, conversion of times. Number 1, put the tick mark of the correct answer. 1. How many minutes in 5 days? 5 days. Then we know that calculation 5 into 24 into 60 equals 7200. Answer D. 7200 second. Number 2, Farhan was absent from school from the 22 Shravan to the 3rd Bhadra because of waterlogging in front of her house. How many days she was absent? Calculation in Bangla calendar Shravan month in 31 days and Shravani 31 days minus 22 plus 1 equal to 10 days. 22 Shravan, 22 plus 1. In the date format of math, you need to add 1 for every time. Okay, that means in Shravan month 10 days and in Bhadra month 3 days. That means 13 days. She was absent in 13 days. C answer.